day, Marlene and I were taking a ride in the Ranger, and we noticed that the farmer next door had a bunch of vehicles pulled out of the bush. They were sitting on the edge of the field, looked like he was getting ready to haul them away. So I went and talked to him, and he said, take whatever I wanted out of there. So we hauled 4 truck cabs out of there, and 2 of them have front clips on them. So we hauled them home, and this is the only one that's the same series, 61 to 66, as I'm rebuilding. But just showing that even though something looks as though it has no value, there's things that a guy can use. Like this fender here has been just hammered and reworked quite a bit. You can see that it's all dinged up pretty bad right there. But this top lip along here is in good condition, and just so happens that I need that for my fenders. So I figured I'd bring it in and try to get those off of there. The other thing is this back fender support is not rusted out down there like mine is. So I'll be trying to use that piece as well. Over here, same story. It's the back piece has been welded years ago, but I think I can use this section in here as what I need, as well as this piece along the top. And you can see that this fender's pushed in and bad shape here. The whole front end's pushed in, the grill and stuff. But there's things like the rad support and the lettering, Ford lettering is there. Hood latch. You know, there's a bunch of different things that a guy can use. So even though something looks, you know, at a glance that there's no value there, when you're fixing up these old vehicles, it's a guy can always use bits and pieces. So there's one fender that I'm working on. I'll have to make that piece because both of these are shot in the front. But down along the side, that's rusted out. And then this piece here is bad, so that's what I'm looking at using off that other piece, the other front clip. And then the strips along the top of the fender, so you can see here, this one's rusted pretty bad, worse than the other one that I worked on already. So I'm going to try and use those pieces as well. We'll see how it goes. I'll get the pieces cut off of this, haul it outside, and then I'll start working on repairing these fenders.